Data residency laws are reshaping cloud strategies, forcing businesses to rethink how they store and manage data. This shift from borderless to localized storage is driven by increasing demands for digital sovereignty. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out i4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with Gen AI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. As governments tighten regulations, companies must adapt to keep data within specific borders. This new era of geopatriation prioritizes compliance and security over traditional cloud efficiencies. Geopolitical tensions have turned data location into a strategic imperative. With laws like GDPR and China's cybersecurity law, businesses face real penalties for non-compliance. Data residency laws impact global businesses by dictating where data can be stored. This affects everything from operational strategies to competitive positioning. Infrastructure choices now influence governance strategies. Selecting a data center means choosing its jurisdiction and regulatory environment, impacting legal and political risks. Foreign-owned infrastructure can complicate compliance. Organizations must analyze ownership structures to ensure they meet digital sovereignty requirements. Navigating global data residency laws is complex. Regulations like GDPR and Russia's data localization laws demand strict adherence, reshaping cloud architecture. Industry-specific requirements add layers of complexity. Financial services, healthcare, and government sectors face unique localization challenges and penalties. Countries are asserting control over citizen data to maintain sovereignty. Domestic data processing ensures protection against foreign access and manipulation. Local data processing boosts economic benefits. By keeping data within borders, countries drive job creation and reduce financial outflows to foreign providers. Edge computing supports regional data processing by positioning resources closer to users. This reduces latency and ensures compliance with local data laws. Sovereign cloud platforms are designed for specific jurisdictions, incorporating local security controls and governance frameworks to meet regional compliance needs. Assess your organization's data residency obligations by mapping regulations to data types and regions. This helps determine where data can reside and how it must be protected. Select cloud providers with robust localization capabilities. Evaluate their geographic coverage, compliance certifications, and data governance tools to ensure alignment with your needs. Stay ahead of emerging international data transfer regulations by monitoring trends and adapting strategies. This proactive approach helps mitigate compliance risks. Leverage technology innovations like edge computing and containerization to enable seamless localized computing. These tools help maintain performance while adhering to data residency laws. Recap. We've explored the importance of data residency, the impact of geopolitical tensions, and strategies for implementing localized infrastructure. By understanding these elements, you can navigate the complex landscape of data governance. Takeaway. By aligning your cloud strategies with data residency laws, you'll ensure compliance, enhance security, and gain a competitive edge in the global market. Call to action. Audit your current data flows and compliance requirements. Begin building relationships with cloud providers who offer localized solutions to secure your data's future. Let's take action together. Start implementing these strategies today to future-proof your organization against evolving data governance challenges.